G'day guys, Des here from TJM Northern Beaches. Today we've got in the shop a Y62 Patrol, and as you know it's got a big V8 engine in it, but it doesn't really sound like it. So the customers requested us to open it up a little and make it sound less like a soccer mum's car. So to help open it up, we're going to be installing a Harrop Engineering mid-section high-flow muffler. And to add to the list, the customer does a lot of towing, so we're going to be installing an onboard air system and airbag kit. So we're going to be running the Airbag Man airbags with the Kevlar sleeves and running the Airbag Man digital gauge and paddle shifters. To pump those up, we're going to be using the TJM Pro Series twin air compressor. To secure the compressor, we're going to be using JBA Fabrications mounting bracket. So we've got a real big day ahead of us. No point standing around. Let's get into it. Alright, now we've got the Patrol up on the hoist. First step is pretty self-explanatory. We've got to remove this big hunk of junk. Alright guys, here we have the muffler out now. Got the two side by side, and obviously you can see there's a massive size difference here. Alright guys, now we've got the exhaust done. We're going to move on to the rear, installing the airbags. We've got the coil springs and airbags back in the car, and we've started pulling out the rear trims of the vehicle to run the air lines into the back of there. And so we've had Ed run the power cables to the rear quarter panel where the compressor is going to be. Then we've gone ahead and shortened all the air lines and put in the fittings and the pressure sensors for the gauge. Right, so we've got the compressor mounted with the JBA Fabrications bracket. We've run all the lines. We had Ed here wire up the switches, tested for leaks. Now we're basically ready to put the interior back together now. Right guys, there we have it, the TJM Pro Series twin compressor hidden behind the quarter panel here in this Patrol. There's only one thing left to do now. Let's go take it for a road test and test out that new exhaust. There we have it guys, finally finished after a long day. Got the air compressor and the airbags all installed. And I tell you, what a difference that exhaust makes. So give us a like and a follow, because there's plenty more content to come.